In this video we are talking about the bullish explosion from Avax and if we are continuing the bullish explosion to the upside or if we see a retracement to even lower levels. As you can see, we are having this bullish weekly candle. From the down to the top we saw an increase about 84%, which is really crazy. And in the last video we were at this prices right here, and I said if we are breaking this highs and this supply zone to the upside, that then the chance is high that we see even higher prices. And in the last video I said that the chance is very high that we can continue the bullish momentum, and if we are breaking this supply zone to the upside with a daily or weekly body close, that we then see another explosion for Avax. I will show you now the clip from the last video. So I think the chance is high that we can continue our bullish structure to the upside. And if we now see another break of this last high, then I think the chance is high that we can back in this supply zone. So now it's really important that we are breaking this supply zone to the upside with the daily or weekly body close. Because if we see this body close, the chance that we see even higher prices is very high for Avax. And as you can see, after the video we saw this explosion to the upside, and after we saw the daily body close over the last supply zone, we then saw another explosion. So congrats to everybody who took a trade here on Avax. And if you want to have daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Avax, then join my free Telegram group. You will find the link in the description. And as you can see, this looks very bullish because we got the close from this candle very high over the last supply zone. And that's very important because this supply zone caused the move to lower levels. And with this weekly body close, we shifted on the weekly time frame to the bullish order flow. So the chance is very high that we can continue the bullish trend to the upside. But right now there's also the chance that we see a larger retracement because the last low is right here under this supply zone on the weekly time frame. So we have much space to the downside to make a higher low. And if we go on the daily time frame, you can also see that we got this push directly to the upside. So as I said, the chance is there that we see a retracement to lower levels. But if you're not in a trade right now, then I think this demand zone is very interesting because from this demand zone we saw this push to the upside and we right now got some rejection right here, which is a really good sign. So if we are coming back into this demand zone again and see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I would search for long entries right here. And if we are seeing a signal, I would enter a trade and hodl it into the next highs to continue the bullish trend. But right now I'm really bullish, so I think the chance is high that we can go directly to the upside and continue the trend because Avax has a strong bullish momentum and we don't make lower lows on the 4-hourly chart. So this is a very good sign. And as I said, we already broke this important supply zone to the upside. So the chance is there that we see another explosion for Avax, especially on the mid and long term. Especially if Bitcoin is also going to the upside, because when Bitcoin is going to the upside, the chance that altcoins like Avax are also going to the upside is very high. But if anything interesting happens for Avax, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on Avax. So all in all, we now saw this break of the last highs to the upside. And right here we also saw the break of this bigger supply zone. So congrats again to everybody who took a trade here on Avax. And this weekly candle is a really bullish sign for Avax because we saw this body close right here. So the chance is very high that we can see even higher prices. But as I said, the chance for a retracement is there because the last weekly lows are right here. So there's much space for a retracement. But right now on the 4-hourly chart, we are in a bullish trend with higher lows and higher highs. And I think the chance is high that we see a reaction right in this demand zone. And if we see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, I would search for long entries right here and hodl it into the next highs. So this was it for this video. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.